Welcome back. Today I'm going to check out, it's called Wiggling Master tool. So this is the latte art practice tool. Before this tool, if you want to practice latte art, so let me show you guys. So you just pretty much, you have to, I usually put the water in it here and then trying to practice the kind of a wiggling motion. Okay. Wiggling motion. And sometimes it works. It can be inconvenient. Okay. So I do back and forth, but it's not, it's not fun to do it, right? It's not fun to do it. Get me just like that. So anyway, so this one is designed by, I think it's made in Korea, by the way. Korean barista actually designed this. And let's open this. Okay, so let's open up the package here. So this is the handle. So pretty much you want to be hold it like this. I mean, just like latte art jug, right? It's very similar handle as well. So pretty much you want to mimic the latte art handle. Okay. Pretty much the same thing there. So you can grab, and then this one here. So this is the interesting one. You see this rubber piece here. So what's going to happen is it's going to be attached to here with this screw. So from slow, it's going to be slow like this. Obviously, we have different speed per minute. Okay, like that. Here's a fast. So let's do, I don't know, maybe we do like medium. Okay, 808 per minute. Just gonna go here, screw down. It doesn't move. So imagine this is the latte art jug. Okay, and then let me show you another piece here. So this is the the guide, right? So we're gonna have a different numbers. You go 1, so 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so you can do the different design. I bet you can do like rosetta, or so you just pretty much practice like this. If I'm gonna go here, here, just like that. So instead of playing with the water, because you have no idea what you're doing in a way, at least this, now I can actually imagine this is the water the latte art jug. You can actually practice it. Get the flow down. Yeah. This is pretty cool latte art practice. So obviously you can go longer, is a slower wiggling, and the shorter is obviously faster. So imagine if you want to practice, obviously without any coffee, I like to just use my latte art cup here, right on the top. Hold it like, hold it like you're holding a jug. I'm just gonna practice like this. Okay, just like that. Just get feel for the juggling motion, right? Just feel for the juggling motion. It's gonna make your latte art better? I don't know. So I'm looking forward to practice and see how it's gonna comes out, my latte art. But let's make some latte anyway. Comes to latte art, it's not too bad, okay? But did you see that initially I was like, shakes a little bit? So hold on, let me see here. I bet you this tool here, once I start getting the feel of it, the milk feel of it, I think it's gonna be helps tremendously. That's for sure. Okay. So I'm really looking forward to playing with this. Okay, I'm really looking forward to play with this. Get feel of the jug, right? The milk and flow. So I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, I'm really looking forward to it. All right, guys. See you guys next time.